Marking a historic moment for the Northeast region, the Northeast National Service Scheme contingent has returned home after a highly successful participation in the Republic Day Parade Camp 2026 in New Delhi. The month-long national-level engagement not only showcased the discipline of NSS volunteers but also highlighted the vibrant cultural identity of the Northeast on India's most prestigious stage. The 19-member Northeast NSS contingent, comprising of 18 elite volunteers and their leader, represented the region at the Republic Day Parade Camp 2026, held from 1st January to 31st January at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, New Delhi. The contingent marched with remarkable precision during the Republic Day celebration at the Kartavya Park, performing alongside India's military and paramilitary forces, a moment of pride for the entire northeastern region. A major highlight of this year's contingent was its leadership. The team was led by Mr. Bhaskar Ghosh, a state awardee NSS program officer and a postgraduate teacher at Gondachara Higher Secondary School, Tripura. His appointment marked a significant milestone as he is only the third program officer from Tripura to lead the Northeast NSS contingent in the last 38 years and the first from the state in the past 17 years to achieve this distinction. Beyond the parade, the volunteers experienced rare high-level engagement, meeting the President of India, the Vice President of India, the Prime Minister of India, and the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, interaction that few get to experience in a lifetime. Celebrating the cultural essence of the region, the volunteers presented traditional dance performance reflecting the Ashtalakshmi spirit of the Northeast at Rashtrapati Bhavan and during the Prime Minister's rally, earning widespread appreciation for their artistic grace and cultural pride. Speaking on the occasion, contingent leader Bhaskar Ghosh said sharing our experiences directly with the nation's top leadership was a life-changing moment for our volunteers. It wasn't just about the parade, it was about representing the soul of the Northeast. As part of their cultural exposure, the volunteers also visited several national heritage landmarks, including Rajghat, the Taj Mahal and the Agra Fort, and the Delhi's historic sites such as Red Fort and Qutub Minar. Upon their return, the contingent received a warm welcome across the region. In Guwahati, the team attended a calling on program with the Honorable Governor of Assam, who interacted with the volunteers and praised the dedication, discipline, and commitment to national service. The successful participation of the Northeast NSS contingent in the Republic Day Parade Camp 2026 stands as a proud moment for the entire region, reinforcing the Northeast's growing role in national integration and youth-led nation building. We report News Now.